So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from capital.com to a bank account. Now there isn't a direct send money from this account to that account option in capital.com, but through there you can, once you get to your trading platform, you can start using a couple different hacks to get to your bank account. Now, going to your bank account and sending money from capital.com is possible. You just need to open this, then go to My Accounts. Through there, you can see live accounts and demo accounts. So through demo accounts, you can withdraw. You can also top up, see trading options, and rename. So by doing this, you can add stuff to it. Or add stuff or send money to a bank account. And an important thing to note here is that only verified banks are available and you can't send to your credit or debit card. So that is prohibited. But what you can do is send to that specific bank account and then go to withdraw to your bank. Now, an interesting thing about that is that not being able to send to your credit or debit card is actually created for as an anti-money laundering method or measure, so they can keep a track to that on that, and you can send to your bank, but you can only take the money once you get to the bank itself. You can do it through your card. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on capital.com or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.